seen one get unboxed before.
He always told me if I'm bored, come on by. He's got lots of cool stuff to show me, so let's go see what he's got. Here we are. I like it. I like that a lot. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Phil's getting ready to open up a big old crate of fun, buddy. Big old crate of fun. Oh, awesome. All right, that's our first look at her. Ski-Doo Renegade Adrenaline package, right?
That's right.
Nice. Nice, that's what she looks like, boys. We buy a brand new sled, that's how it comes to us. This one I am, yeah. Why not? I've never seen one get unboxed before. Here's the big reveal. What color is it, Phil?
I think it's black.
Nice. That's how it comes in, guys. That's what it looks like when it arrives at the dealership. And then a super handy tech like Phil gets a hold of it and makes it go vroom vroom. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I always like it when I can show you guys and Rooster something really cool here. Thanks for watching. Hit a like, sub, all that sort of stuff. And as always, thanks to Jen Landry and thanks to Torque Motorsports in Moncton. All right, guys, remember, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find you on a Ski-Doo.